Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. On the daily time frame, Bitcoin continues to develop a clear downtrend, while the recent bullish correction appears to be complete. The market structure is bearish, with a CHOCH level currently located at 107,300 USD. Only a sustained move above this level would signal a potential end to the downtrend. Bitcoin has shown a strong and clear reaction to the bearish fair value gap. A valid sell setup was formed, confirmation was received, and the decline is now underway. The next major downside target is 70,800 USD level. The previously identified bullish FVG has now flipped into the bearish IFVG, which has become a new key point of interest. On the 4-hour time frame, price has broken out of the sideways range, in which it spent the past month and a half. However, Bitcoin upside move was short-lived, as the daily bearish FVG kept price action and stopped the advance. As a result, there are currently no valid reasons to expect sustained upside in Bitcoin. Should bullish patterns begin to form, the decline may temporarily pause, but it is important to remember that any upside move at this stage should be treated strictly as a corrective move. Bitcoin remains in the process of forming a full-scale bearish trend. In the near term, a move towards 70,800 USD is expected, a level that corresponds to the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the 3-year bullish trend. Among new sell-side points of interest on the daily time frame, the key area to monitor is the bearish IFVG, located between 92,500 and 95k USD. Price may revisit this zone before resuming its decline. On the 4-hour time frame, there are currently no active bearish patterns. As a result, new short positions should only be considered within the 92,500 USD and 95k. On the daily time frame, the broader downtrend continues to develop. The key sell-side pattern remains the bearish order block on the weekly time frame, which continues to act as the primary driver of downside pressure. A move triggered from this level is expected to be both strong and prolonged. The corrective phase across the crypto may be nearing its end. On the daily chart for Ethereum, a bearish IFVG is present, while on the 4-hour chart, a bearish FVG can be identified. These two patterns provide potential areas for traders to look for short opportunities. Downside targets 2717 and 2618 is done, and these are only the nearest objectives. From a medium-term perspective, Ethereum's downside potential extends at least toward the 2400 USD level. That's all for today. See you online soon, and good luck.